dear students, I am Shriha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. We are going to discuss today about using solar calendars. Today my topic is very simple and easy but very interesting as well. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use solar calendar to find a particular day and date. You know what is solar calendar? Well, this is solar calendar. For example, you can say that this one is solar calendar which you use to check the day and date. That is, if this year is, for example, 2023, then this is the calendar in which we have 12 months, and this month you already have studied in your class 1 section. So you are going to go there and check the lecture over there. From that lecture you are going to get the idea that what is solar calendar. But here I am going to tell you that this is because of the sun which is created. So that is why we call it solar calendar. So read the given solar calendar. This calendar is starting from January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. We have 12 months in every year, every solar year. And this thing over here, do consider this calendar. This is year 2023 calendar. From this calendar, we are going to identify, or we are going to find out the day and date, specific day and date. But before starting this thing, we need to find out how many days in a month and how many months in a year. So here we go. We have a clock. You know that in that clock we have 12 hours. When our hand of a clock takes 2 complete rounds on a clock, it completes 24 hours, which you have already know that we have studied in our previous lectures. This is what we have studied. And this is what 24 hours make one day. Okay, we can say that, for example, one day is equals to 24 hours. So right now, in 1 week, we have how many days? We have 7 days. So we can say that 1 week is equals to 7 days, or we can write it like 7 days make a week. Or we have one more interesting fact, which is 4 weeks makes a month approximately, if we are going to say that takriban. This one is like that roughly speaking, we have this kind of weeks over here. Somehow approximately 4 weeks and some days. So this happens. So roughly speaking, we used to say that we have 4 weeks or in a month. So right now, this one is a month has 30 or 31 days. Except for February, which has 28 or 29 days. So this means that you need to be specific with some kind of solar, because solar is specifically regarding sun. So we are going to have 12 months make 1 year. So this is what the rotation of the earth round the sun. So this is what you already must have studied in your science lecture. So right now here we are going to concentrate on the months. So we are going to have 12 months in 1 year. There are 365 days in a year. So do remember this, because these are very interesting facts, and we need to remember these facts. And these facts are actually the mathematical figures which must be remembered for the whole solar section. Solar calendar or section, you can say that. So here we are going to solve one example for you guys. We are going to have example. This one, look at the calendar given on previous page, which I have shown you previously. Answer the following question by looking at that 2023 calendar, solar calendar, as I have shown you in my previous slide. So right now, the first part of this question is write the names of the month that have 5 Sundays. Just check, hurry up, check the calendar out, the whole this one calendar, and check how many months have 5 Sundays. Just check the Sunday, this one, red Sundays. So this is red actually, because we have off on Sunday. So that is why S is always in red colors. Okay, so because this shows you that is off day. So right now we are going to have in January, April, July, October and December, we have how many Sundays? 5 Sundays. So check it out, and then we are going to write it over here on this blank. So January, April, July, October and December are the days in which we have 5 Sundays. So right now, by getting on my second part, which is how many days are there in February. in February, you can just hurry up, go and check this calendar, this one's calendar. Here you can see that there are 28 days. So we are going to write 28 days right over here on this blank. So in the part C, you can check that which month has which months have 31 days. So hurry up, check this calendar again. In this calendar, just check one out, then how many months have these days? So you are going to name them. So we have January, March, May, July, August, October, and December, which have 31 days. Right now, I have very interesting example. Please check this thing out. Well, circle the following dates on the calendar 2023, which I have shown you in my previous slide, given on the previous page, and answer what answer you are going to answer this. Well, considering me, I am a student, okay? So right now I'm going to answer your birthday. So my birthday is on 8th September. So I'm going to circle it over here, right over here. And I'm going to circle or make a square, depends upon you. Just you need to highlight it. Means that this one is 8th September. I have done it. So, but you don't need to write my date of birth over here. You are going to write your own date of birth over here. And one more interesting thing, which is you already know 14 August is Independence Day of Pakistan. So that is why you are also going to identify where it is. So here we go, this one, August section, check it out. And where is the date 14? So this one is 14 over here. Now, 1st May. 1st May is Labor Day. So you are going to identify the Labor Day. Where is it? Yes, this one. Check the May section. Yes, May month. In this section, the first date is 1st. So do circle it, and you are going to highlight it. Then you are going to highlight which one? 6th September, which is Defense Day of Pakistan. So here it is in my birthday section. Here it is just 2 days before my birthday. So we are going to identify it and circle it. Right now, my dear Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, 25th December, Quaid-e-Azam birthday. So we are going to circle this one over here in the end of the year. Here it is in December section, 25 days, circle it, and this is final. We have done it. So right now, I hope the concept is clear to you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.